How's it going, guys? My name is SnowReacts. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reacting to wins and fails of voting play. Let's just see what happens. I mean, to be honest, I've been obsessed with... Yo, that guy flew. Wait. Yo, he's so dumb. Yo, he looks like he's in pain. What's this guy doing? This guy got a beach boat. I don't think you guys are going to be able to push that. I'm sorry. Tide's out. Boat's stuck. You're screwed. Who's to blame here? The guy from behind, always. Whoa! Guy from behind, 100%. Guy from behind's at fault. Why are you ski doing that close? Yo, Germans, they're weird. Over the rainbow. Oh. This is just weird. I don't know if that's a fail or a win. I can't tell. Fail? Win. What's going on here? What's this guy doing? I don't know. This is gonna be a fail. I can feel it. I'm gonna get hit by a fish. Oh! Wait. Ooh, what was that? Did she lose her phone? Your fish took her phone. Ooh, ooh. Dude. What's this? Big flooding? Dock broke, big flooding? Yo, boats are so much more expensive than cars, like, it's insane. Like, to own a boat, this is just a lot of money going to waste. That's all I'm gonna say. No idea why this is happening, but it's happening. Docks are breaking. Alright, here's a Swedish sailor sailing in the winter. Why? I don't know. You fall in, you freeze to death. What? Yo, that thing accelerates faster than a car. Love your ingenuity. Wait. They're just shipping this thing down a river on two boats with some like metal in between. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like it's gonna fall apart. It's falling in. It's falling in. Is it gonna survive? I don't know. I mean, maybe they've done this before, but I don't know. Yo, this thing's definitely gonna fall in. What you guys think? I don't know if we're ever gonna find out. I think it's gonna cut off. Yo, I wanna know. Is he driving his truck on a... I mean, if you can, you can. Right? That looks expensive. I dropped it. Oh no, they dropped their ski-doo on the road. That's sad. That's sad. Just push it. Just push it. You gotta push it. They're not even putting it anywhere. They're just spinning it. Oh, that's painful to watch. Alright, we got an aquaplane. They got a sketchy-ass dock. Let's see what happens. That was it? What's this? They're getting a trash can? I'm so confused.
Oh shit, look how...
Ooh, cigarette boats are so fast. Oh. Okay. Yo, no. On a scale of 1 to 10 of how dumb this is a 10. You hit a rock, you're dead. Hit the other side, you're dead. You fall in, you're dead. So many deads here. Oh, this was so fast. Yo, okay, I mean, we're chilling. Yo, moto, likey. Yo, I don't know, man. Like, that hippo's real close. Yo, go faster. What's this guy doing playing with a hippo? Okay, the hippo's chilling. He's like, whatever. Man, if a hippo gets you, you're dead. Yo. Sea-Doo sorcery. I mean, that's cool. I guess. What's this guy doing? Too much weight on the back? That's sad. That's real sad. Wait, now it's on fire? Why is it on fire? How does something even go on fire when it's in the water? Like, it's literally wet. I don't know. I don't know how things work. Fire, water, Avatar. I don't understand how that. Maybe that's oil? Oil caught on fire? No, what you gonna hit? Or maybe this is a scrapyard. It's either a scrapyard or an explosion. But it's in the middle of the ocean.
Pegou fogo, meu irmão.
This is boat on fire. Jeez, that's so expensive. Look how big that boat is. That boat's massive and it's just on fire.
Puta que pariu, bicho.
Oh, never transport a boat with gas in it. Duh. Yo, these boats go so fast. I swear, they're almost faster than cars. They survived, right?
Shit.
Yo, there's a plane on water? Yo, what? Oh wait, I didn't even know planes float. Well, they fly, but they float? I don't know about that. Yo, wait. Air New Guinea. New Guinea has an air? Why would you open a door that's underwater? Are there people in there? Open the front door. Yo, get out of the plane. Like, do these people get out of the... Why are they leaving the plane? Like, if the plane goes down, you drown. Other side. They're getting out on the other side. Papua New Guinea. Your airplanes suck. I'm kidding, I don't know. Yo. That's crazy though. That like a plane's just in the water. CoastGuard.com. Yo, you're busted. I swear, Coast Guard boats are just fast. Well, I guess they make them like that, but they're just fast. Imagine that's like pulling you over. You're screwed. But they saved the days. Do it. Do it. Hey, hey. Some people, like, I don't know if this is just smart or dumb, but like, I guess it's not sinking. Alright, we're gonna end the video there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you leave a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. Peace.